Hello teachers, this is Tony D. Phillips once again bringing you how to use Edmodo. This is the second video in the series. When last we spoke for the teacher video, we saw how to create assignments and add a class and get students going. Now, since then, we haven't really had much to do because we need some students. So I gave my student code to my students, and hopefully at least one of them should have logged in, created an account, and joined my group. So now it's time to go in and see if there's been any activity on my Edmodo account. And we can see that there is a few things different. First, we can go right up to our notifications bell. That will bring us our notifications, just like Facebook or any other social media app would, and we can take a look as to what has happened. So we have a direct message from a student, has a question about something, so we can go ahead and reply to them right from here. The fox barks. All foxes bark. All right, that's what the fox says. All foxes bark. And there we go. So there is one reply taken care of. And let's see, we also have a project sent to us. It's in the notifications, but also if you notice, it's also sitting right here. So let's take a look at that. All we need to do is click it, and it's asking if I want to save it. I'll save it to my desktop so I can easily find it later. And there it is. And for some reason, my PowerPoint isn't opening. This is Edmodo podcast. Oh, we don't worry about PowerPoint here. All right, so that was my real Facebook. Okay, and here we have also a student who brought up an assignment. So let's take a look. This is me signing my contract. Okay, well, if you remember, I uploaded my syllabus and had them sign a contract. So this really isn't counting. I need the print copy signed by your parents. And of course, just before sending anything, let's do a little editing, and I will add that comment. So right now the grade is 0 out of, let's say, 1 point, just because it's only a contract, just to let them know that they haven't done it yet. Okay, so there we go. We've taken care of a couple of notifications that we have from our students. Let's go back to our home page. If you remember, we also posted a poll. Are you planning to take the AP exam in May? And heck no. Okay, well, they didn't exactly return the contract correctly, so, they're not taking the AP exam. I guess that's not a bad thing. And that's what we have. And this is everything else that I posted there. So there you have a couple of ways that you can interact very quickly with students. If I wanted to type a personal note to that student, I would type the note here, and then I would just start typing that student's name. Now, unfortunately, I named that student my own name as I was creating a fake student account, but I can take a look at that there. I can take a look and send it to the whole class if I wish, the AP biology group, and everything else. And I can send a particular assignment that way, just to one particular student or one particular group, and things like that. Let's take a look and show something else here that I wanted to make sure that you saw. There is a parent code, okay? Each student receives a unique parent code so that their parents can log in and track their progress. It is shown to the students when they log in. The parent code, it would be in this area of their homepage. And of course, they can take it home and give it to their parents. Can we trust every student to give it to their parents? Yes, we're going to say yes. But just in case you need it, you could also find that code as well. And in case they need the code reset, that's a way to take care of it that way. You also have the ability to change the password, remove students if they drop the course, and things like that. So the parent link is something I definitely wanted to show you. There are several ways that you can interact with students. Hopefully now you can go ahead, try a few things on your own, get some students going, and start collaborating in your classroom.